Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, a four stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, Thursday, February the 1st, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and one of them I've already solved. The 3-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. The JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and the 4 stars Sudoku. And in this newspaper I've showed you earlier, we have an additional with extra puzzles. In the evening I will solve 4 out of 7. Yeah, 4 out of 7. In the evening I will do those puzzles. News for today. Wow, shocking news. Hamilton, yeah, Formula One news. Hamilton will join Ferrari. Yeah, now he's at the team Mercedes, and he will join Ferrari. Well. Let me continue with the puzzles. 7914. This will be okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has one less than the previous Sudoku. Still has 27. Should be a 1 star. Usually, if I compare with the Sudokus in the additional for a puzzle with 27 printed digits, should be a 1 star. For 1 star, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 4, I should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so that column, only place left for the 5, should be here. So 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. Alright, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in the first column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1. Then let me see. How about the number 7 here? Need a 9 here. Thinking. We have a pair. The 5 and the 9 in this row. The 5 and the 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. So now we have 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Alright, need a 7 there. Need a 5 here. 5, 5. I need a 6 there. Well. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in this column, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 7, okay. So here we have 2 and 8 are left. in the last row. 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Alright. Then need a 2 here. And I need, three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. We have a 2 and a 6 in the second column, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. Alright, 7. Need a 7 there. 7. Need a 5 here. And I need a 6 here. Well, 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. And look, we have 5 and a 6 in this row. First row. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 7. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, okay, I need a 7 there. Alright, now, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. Let me think. 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 6 in this row, the 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, need a 6 here. Cannot continue with the 6. How about, let me see. Need a 7 there, need a 7 there. 3, 8. Need an 8 here. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in this big square, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this third row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. We have a pair, I believe. The 4 and the 6 in this column. The 4 and the 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers to 1 to 2. 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1 to 2. 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And 2 missing numbers here in this big square for numbers to 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. I know 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 7 goes there. 11 minutes. Cannot believe this. Faster than the previous Sudoku in 11 minutes, but we solved it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will meet you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.